Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's lesson, we will teach you how to block unwanted apps in Microsoft Edge in Windows 11. Potentially unwanted applications, PUA, are a category of software that can cause your machine to run slowly, display unexpected ads, or at worst, install other software that might be unexpected or unwanted. PUA is not considered a virus, malware, or other type of threat, but it might perform actions on endpoints that adversely affect endpoint performance or use. Open Edge. Go to the right top corner and click on the three dots. Choose Settings. Select Privacy Search and Services from the left side list. Go to Security Block. Look for Block Potentially Unwanted Apps option. Turn the switch on to enable it. If you want to disable the option, turn the switch off. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!